So back out at Cataline, second attempt trying to video because there's a few big swells beside a beautiful lighthouse, old lighthouse, and just lovely, really lovely to be out in November. November! Can you believe it? Slowly getting turned around here, so oh, I'll let myself come round. There we go. Cataline over there. Some very sneaky seals as well, which I'm trying to avoid because I think it might be season for them having young ones. So, whoa. Anyway. How beautiful is that? Hope you're having a fantastic day.